These cakes are not handmade. They're mass-produced.
Thousands of perfect cakes every single hour.
Welcome to the cake factory you've never seen before.
Chocolate cakes move first.
Perfect chocolate flow every time.
Next come the classic cream cakes.
Fresh toppings added with precision.
Special cakes for special moments.
Names written flawlessly by machines.
Every cake personalized.
Designs change. Quality doesn't.
Decorations done at lightning speed.
Big cakes for big celebrations. Mini cakes, maximum perfection.
Colors that catch your eye instantly.
Final checks before packing.
Ready to be packed.
Sealed fresh for customers.
Mass production at its finest. Speed without compromise. So many cakes, one factory.
Which cake would you choose?